Well, hello everybody, and welcome to the Outdoor Channel, and welcome to Rainy Lake, one of my most absolute favorite places to be here on planet Earth. Today we're talking about first aid. Whether we're in the camper, we're in the boat, or we're just in the general outdoors, first aid is really important. We always have our first aid kits handy, and today we're talking about this product here from Dimora. This is a silicone foam dressing. This is for a large gash or maybe a large cut where maybe you have some bodily fluids you need to control. The silicone will help absorb some of those fluids and try to keep things from getting infected, things from getting, onto other people and things like that. So what we're going to do today is a quick unboxing, show you where this works really well, maybe show you where it's not designed for. That's all coming up next. Stay tuned. Okay, we've retreated to the camper because it's a little less windy in here and easier to show this to you guys. Again, the brand is Dimora. They make a few different products and you can find all of them on Amazon. I will have some links over in the description. This is their 4" by 4" silicone dressing pad. You can see that here it comes in a nice sterile container. Each one is individually wrapped. And this is what it looks like. Like most other bandages, you'll have additional material here that you can peel back when you apply this. It has a nice border here to apply to wherever your issue is at. And this silicone pad here is designed to absorb a lot of bodily fluid if you need that. We'll demonstrate that in a moment. Some of the use cases I think where this works very well is if you have a larger scrape or cut, gash, whatever that is for you, and you need to cover that. Or maybe you have something that's a little smaller, but you have some bodily fluids that you need to manage. That is where this is going to work really well. Both the border and the silicone dressing is rather sticky. This is going to apply to a wound area very well. It's not going to move around on you very much. As long as you have your area cleaned up as best you can, this should stay on for quite a long time. For our drainage or bodily fluid test, I have some tea here. We're going to go ahead and apply some of that to the silicone area. We're going to watch and see how much it absorbs. And I'm just using the tea because I think the color will make a nice demonstration. And after about 20-30 seconds or so, hopefully the camera's picking this up. I zoomed in a little bit. This silicone is starting to puff out and it's starting to absorb that tea. Let's go ahead and add just a touch more and see what happens here. I fast forwarded that a little bit and you can see how well that's absorbing. So going back to our test subject here, we want to put this through a little bit of a stress test and see how well it will handle in a more active situation. Now this is not at all a sports style bandage, but we wanted to see how well it would do. As you can see, our test subject has a pretty good scraped knee. Now this is challenging in itself because the knee is something that moves a lot and can certainly put a little bit of a strain on the bandage. And what we found is with some light activity, including a little bit of running, the bandage held up pretty well. However, once the activity really picked up, the bandage did eventually fall off. Again, you really cannot blame the bandage or the company for this. It's not really designed for this type of application. We just wanted to see how long it would last. Alright, so that wraps up the video. Again, first aid is super important. Keep your first aid kits handy and available. You never know where you need them. Again, we'll have a link in the description where you guys can get these on Amazon. Like, subscribe, helps the channel out quite a bit. We will see you next time.